the building behind me was covered in this old school white cement board or white stucco, and we were looking for a cost-effective and efficient solution, and we were considering either siding or even full stucco, but in the end I found these Dundee deco boards, which are styrofoam, but not only they are used indoors, but they can also be outdoors. And just in order for them to be used outdoors, as you can see behind me, we had to cover them with UV resistant and weather resistant varnish, 2 coats. And here you go, I'm gonna share some details on how I applied all of that. Here you go, I hope you like it. So I wanted to share a few things about those Dundee deco styrofoam fake brick panels, positive and negative. Most of it is definitely positive. I absolutely love the way they look. So they look very close to existing brick, and therefore we had some red brick that was already installed on the building. So by using this brick that had a little bit of red, brown, and gray, it really works very well with an existing red brick. Second thing is they are very easy to work with. They are made of styrofoam. The outer shell is a little bit harder, but still you can cut them pretty much with your regular construction knife or a saw. Third thing, they provide insulation ratio because the panel itself made out of styrofoam. So while the outer shell is more durable, the inner side of it is a styrofoam that provides nice insulation ratio. The negative thing, one and only, and it's rather small, you have to use some sort of glue that is not dissolving or melting the styrofoam. And the final thing is, if you want to use these styrofoam panels on the outside of the building, the exterior of your building, you need to cover them, what we did, 2 coats of heavy-duty industrial strength polyurethane varnish, which is weather resistant, and it will be preventing those panels from losing its color, getting damaged by the elements, wind, cold, hot, sun, rain, snow. And so those are the things that I would like to share with you, and I am absolutely happy that we use these panels. I'm very happy with the result. As I said, they are also they're not cheap, but comparing to, let's say, you applying either stucco or siding or any other, the labor cost, material cost will be probably at least 3 times, because these panels you can do it yourself. You can just glue them directly onto the concrete board that we had. Otherwise, if I had to hire someone to do the stucco, not only I pay for all that same styrofoam and materials and labor, it would be probably 5-6 times the cost. If I do the siding, it would be probably something similar, 5-6 times the cost. Anyway, I hope you like it. I hope I help anyone to do your project as an alternative to stucco, siding, or brick veneer. This is definitely cost-effective, environmentally friendly, beautiful. It improves the curb appeal of your property drastically. As I was installing it, people were not stopping, passing by and giving me compliments on the choice and how I did it. They were all asking, what is it? Where did you get it? Anyway, we purchased these boards on Home Depot website, but then, as I say, you can go directly to Dundee Deco, and they have wide variety. They have a website, they have wide variety, whatever color you like, choices. And then just as I said, if you want to use it for outdoors, make sure to varnish these panels before. This is what we do. We varnish them before in a nice, comfortable, controlled environment. Make sure they dry 2 coats, and then after you glue, one thing what I can recommend, that's another thing that we learned on the job, is if you see 2 panels in between there is a little crack or anything, you want to fill up. We filled up with a regular tubes of concrete or mortar fix from Home Depot, any hardware store, which will even further enhance the look and authenticity of that brick look. And people are actually commenting that it looks real. Anyway, if you like, subscribe. If you find this video useful, please like, subscribe, because it will bring you health, happiness, prosperity, love, luck, and lots of goodness.
I can't believe that you came into my life. You made me feel again. Now it's my turn. You say